Security mechanism. A security mechanism is a means of protecting a system, network, or device against unauthorized access, tampering, or other security threats. The mechanisms that help in setting up the security services in different layers of the OSI model and that help in identifying any attack or data breach are called security mechanisms. The security mechanisms provide a way of preventing, protecting, and detecting attacks. Some of the security mechanisms are as follows. To counter these threats, the OSI security architecture introduces a range of security mechanisms that act as safeguards against potential attacks. Security mechanisms are the implementation of security services. These mechanisms are designed to strengthen network resilience and thwart malicious activities. Some critical security mechanisms include encryption. Encryption transforms data into unreadable form during transmission, ensuring that even if intercepted, the information remains indecipherable without the appropriate decryption key. Authentication. Authentication protocols verify the identity of users, devices, or systems before granting access to resources. This prevents unauthorized access and ensures that data interactions are legitimate. Firewalls and intrusion detection systems. Firewalls act as barriers between a network and potential threats, while intrusion detection systems monitor for suspicious activities and raise alerts. Access control lists. Manage and restrict user access to specific resources, reducing the risk of unauthorized entry and data breaches.